The measurement and verification process begins well before a project is implemented and should start in conjunction with project planning. It involves developing an M&V plan that will define key activities, including how data will be collected in the baseline and reporting periods. An M&V report will summarize activities that were conducted, including a clear presentation of verified savings relative to estimates. Ongoing efforts will help ensure these savings persist year after year. The level of rigor included in your M&V plan depends on a number of factors. The complexity and accuracy of measurement and verification should scale with project size. Generally, the cost of measurement and verification should be small relative to the value of expected savings. If estimated savings are small or there is little doubt regarding project benefits, there may be no need to verify results other than to ensure the equipment is operating as expected. On the other hand, if the results will serve as the basis for financial transactions, either through energy performance contracts, incentives, or other agreements, then a higher level of rigor may be required. As part of your planning, you'll need to identify parameters that will be used to calculate energy performance to make sure you're collecting the right data. These parameters could include equipment wattage, number of units replaced, and hours of operation. You'll also want to identify any factors that influence energy consumption that may change between the baseline and reporting period. For systems where the load varies based on production, weather, or some other variable, you'll want to collect data on these factors as well. This data is used to make the required adjustments and ensure the changes in energy consumption are due to efficiency improvements and not just changes in production levels or outside temperature. The measurement boundary of your M&V plan determines what will be included in your measurements. It may include one or more pieces of equipment, a section of your building, the whole facility, or multiple buildings. The measurement boundary is often determined by what metering is available. However, additional permanent or temporary metering may be required to produce reliable results. The measurement boundary should be big enough to capture all project impacts, including interactive effects, but not so big that the savings are insignificant relative to the energy consumption being measured. In addition to the physical measurement boundary, the measurement period and frequency must be defined for both the baseline and reporting periods. This could include spot measurements, short-term, or continuous measurements depending on the nature of the operations. As a general rule, the measurement period should be long enough to capture all modes of operation the equipment is expected to experience. For equipment that operates consistently, a week or two before and after installation should be enough. Systems with operations that change significantly through the seasons may need up to 12 months of monitoring for both the baseline and reporting periods to ensure accuracy of your findings. Depending on how you set your boundaries and plan to collect data, your M&V plan will fall into one of four options. 2 of which focus on isolating the project and measuring one or more parameters, and 2 of which focus on whole building approaches. Whichever approach you take, your M&V efforts should be guided by the 6 principles laid out in the International Protocol for Measurement and Verification, or IPMVP. For more information and guidance on conducting measurement and verification activities, you can refer to the IPMVP or other guidance material developed by the Efficiency Valuation Organization. Our Energy Manager coaches are looking forward to helping you apply measurement and verification best practices to support achievement of your energy management goals.